Hey guys, and welcome to this Etsy studio vlog where I am showing you my press-on nail business. I do have an Etsy shop where I sell custom handmade press-on nails, and this is me just packaging up a toe order. So the toe sets come in 20-piece sets. My fingernail sets come in 10-piece sets, and I also take custom orders. So that is when the customer will send on a picture of a nail set from Pinterest or Instagram or somewhere like that, and they'll ask if I can do the design, and I'll just say yes or no, and then we will go ahead and do that order. So this is just a toenail set. I'm just going to let you watch me packaging this one up, and I will be back in a second with a sample set. Okay, so next up, I'm just going to show you a sample set. So this is a set that I'm just getting together, and I have to take pictures of it for Etsy. But this is the shade Rockin' Blue from Madame Glam, and it is a fabulous blue glitter. It is a reflective glitter, which means that it looks like this when the flash is off, just a normal fine glitter, and then when flash is on, it looks like this, which is so stunning. So I just wanted to do a basic plain glitter set because I know often at Christmas time and New Year's I love just plain glitter on every nail. Love it. It's such a nice look. And then here we have some French tips. So this is a repeat customer. So I gave her 2 accent nails of a glitter ombre. So the set she ordered is just a plain French, but I did do these accent nails for her, and I'm just going to do a quick tutorial of me doing this ombre glitter because it's such an easy method. And if you are a nail tech or a nail enthusiast or have a press-on business, this is just such an easy way to do your ombre. So I'm just going to go in with a base coat and then a nude from Semilac, and then I'm going to come back to you with the ombre tutorial. Okay, time for the fun part. This is Rosalind A531, and it's their shiny diamond gel. And I got this a long time ago, I think, on Amazon, but look at it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is like a mix of hexagons and smaller fine glitter and medium-sized pieces. And I'm just going to get my ombre brush and pick up a good bit of that glitter and pack it at the bottom of the nail. So then I'm just going to kind of drag it up the way, making sure that the thicker pieces are at the bottom. So like the big hexies are mostly at the bottom. You can move it around as well with the brush. Like I'm just lightly pulling at it here, and I actually took way longer than needed doing this purely because I was really enjoying doing it. It's so therapeutic to do, just pull the glitter up the nail. This could be done way quicker, just so you know, but I was just like really enjoying doing this ombre. So I'm just going to show you me doing the exact same thing on the 2 nails. And yeah, so this diamond gel is actually so stunning, and I know they had loads of other shades, and I only ever bought this one, and I don't know why I never went back for the rose gold or the true gold. And I think they had pink, or the pink glitter and all different types of colors. So yeah, no, it's a really good product. I'm just pulling it up the nail here, and I'll be back to you in a second when this part is done. So I'm just going to go in with my top coat then. I have that glitter part cured in the lamp, and once it comes out I'm going in with my top coat here. And I always put a generous amount of top coat, especially over glitter, just in case some glitter pieces are a little bit bumpy. Now this isn't because I spent so much time moving it around and that, but just in case, just a generous amount of top coat over glitter is always good. And I always cure for about 2 minutes as well, just to finish it off at the end. Now I don't always put in accent nails as a thank you, but this is a repeat customer and I had the time and I just thought it would be a nice thank you instead of my usual. I usually throw in a couple of rings or stickers or something like that, but this was her thank you present this time. And then just to finish off this vlog, I did get a little haul from Temu. I'm obsessed with Temu lately, and the first thing I got was these rings. So there's about 5 in this packet, I think, but they're nice big chunky rings, and I might keep them for thank you presents, or I might use them for taking pictures of nail sets and sample sets. I'm not sure yet, but I just thought they were cute. And then next up, I also got these thank you cards. So these I picked up because they say thanks gorgeous and my name is Begorgeousnails, so I just thought it tied in nicely. And they're a 50 pack and I think they were only about $2.50, and they just say thank you for supporting my small business, and then also a blank piece at the back, so you could personalize it and just write a little note on that side if you want to. So they're very handy to have. I just ran out of my personalized thank you cards, so this is perfect timing for those ones. And then I also got these stickers, and this was a packet of 52, and they're just those stickers that can go on your laptop and stuff like that. And these are also things that I would throw in as a thank you gift. So I like having things like this just on hand as my thank you gifts. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and comment below what you do for your small business, or if you have a small business, I'd love to hear about it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.